Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 12-hour time. When using 12-hour time, we know the time of day because we use either AM or PM. So when we use AM, this tells us that the time of day is between midnight and midday. When we use PM, this tells us that the time of day is between midday and midnight. Let's look at some simple examples. First example, the school day might start at 9 AM, so that tells us it's in the morning. You might finish your homework at 5 PM. That tells us it's in the afternoon. You might go to bed at 10:30 at night. So that's another way of saying the time, 10:30, and we can designate the time of day. So night times means it's very dark. Write down the times that are shown on each of the following clocks. Each time is between midnight and midday. So if it's between midnight and midday, we have to use AM. So here, the minute hand is on the 12 and the hour hand is on the 2, so it's 2 AM or 2 o'clock in the morning. Over here, the minute hand is on the 6 and the hour hand is between 1 and the 2, so it's 1:30 AM or 1:30 in the morning. Half means half an hour. So from there all the way there, that's actually 30 minutes, because from there to there is 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes, which is actually half an hour. That's why we say 1:30 in the morning. Over here we have the minute hand is on the 3 and the hour hand is just past the 4, so it's 4:15 AM, because that's 5, 10, 15. That means 4:15 means 15 minutes past 4 o'clock. Another way of saying it is 4:15 in the morning. Quarter means a quarter of an hour, because from there to there is a quarter of an hour. Over here we have the minute hand is on the 9 and the hour hand is approaching the 9, so that's 8:45 AM or 8:45 in the morning. Write down the times that are shown on each of the following clocks. Each time is between midday and midnight. So if that's the case, we have to use PM. So because this hour hand is just past the 9, and this minute hand is right on the 4, it's 9:20 PM. 5, 10, 15, 20, or 20 past 9, which means 20 minutes past 9 in the evening because it's PM. And here, the hour hand is just past the 10, the minute hand is on the 1, that means it's 5 minutes, so it's 10:05 PM, or 5 past 10 in the evening. Answer each of the following questions. How long in hours and minutes is the difference between 9:30 AM and 11:20 AM? From 9:30 AM to 10:30 AM is 1 hour. From 10:30 AM to 11:20 AM is 50 minutes. So the total difference is 1 hour and 50 minutes. How long in hours and minutes is the difference between 10:16 AM and 12:23 PM? From 10:16 AM to 12:16 PM is 2 hours. From 12:16 PM to 12:23 PM is 7 minutes. So the total difference is 2 hours and 7 minutes. How long in hours and minutes is the difference between 8:14 PM and 2:10 AM? From 8:14 PM to 1:14 AM is 5 hours. From 1:14 AM to 2:10 AM is 56 minutes. So the total difference is 5 hours and 56 minutes. How many minutes are there between 10:13 a.m. and 12:20 p.m.? From 10:13 a.m. to 12:13 p.m. we have 120 minutes. From 12:13 p.m. to 12:20 p.m. we have 7 minutes. So the total number of minutes is 127 minutes. So this video has given us a basic introduction into 12-hour time, where we've seen how to tell the time on the analog clocks, and also we've seen the meaning of AM and the meaning of PM, which tells us actually what time of the day we're dealing with.